she drew a lot of money from Southern Trust. She said a little Bob on a Greyhound bus, leaving Louisiana for to go out west. Down came a chance for happiness. Her little son called Johnny B. Good was gonna make some motion pictures down in Hollywood. Sing bye, come on, oh, yeah, bye, 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 bye. Oh, baby, say bye, bye, Johnny, goodbye, Johnny B. Good. Well, she got a lot of money from a gathering crowd and helped it out in the local shops. As long as he would play by the railroad side, I wouldn't get in trouble, she'd be satisfied.